Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a full song using Suno AI, an AI-powered music generator. Suno AI lets you input prompts and it generates songs based on them. So let's get started. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Suno AI using Google. Navigate to the top result, which should be the Suno AI website at suno.com. Once on the home page, you can browse through example of songs generated by other users as well. To begin crafting your own song, you must register for a free account on Suno AI. Navigate to the home page and click on the Create button, then choose your desired sign up method such as logging in with your Google account. Then once logged in, you'll be directed to the Suno AI interface. On the left hand side, you can enter a description of the song you wish to create as well. For instance, you could put dance take or track featuring female vocals or simply type down the rainy day songs or many more and simply click on the create button to initiate the song generation process. Suno AI will begin crafting the song based on your input. This may take a short while as it deducts credits for each creation. Once the song is generated, you will find two versions of it displayed. To listen to the generated songs, simply play them. To obtain the complete song, click on the three dots once more and choose the download audio. Additionally, if you prefer a lyric video, you can also download it using the download video option. This downloaded audio and video files enable you to enjoy and share your AI generated song. That concludes the process of using Suno AI to create a complete song. Enjoy exploring your musical creativity with this AI music generator. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.